Good morning, parents and dear students. I hope that you all are in good health. The smallest decisions build your career. The right choices always help you to grow. And it is very important thing before you make a decision. And hence I feel honored to throw some light on this. As your teacher, it's my responsibility to guide you and enlighten on computer as a subject choice. Computer science is a vast subject. It involves various branches. In classes ninth and 10th, you will be taught Java under computer applications as a subject. Children, we will not be teaching you how to operate a computer or how to work on MS Office. Actually, we will be teaching programming. And in your syllabus, actually, in class 10th, it is from class 8th onwards, we are teach Java programming. So we all know how computer has taken to in almost every field, programming, coding, and algorithms will be used coursework. And if you choose computer applications as a subject, every field, every industry in the world today demands software engineers, data scientists, and many more computer related occupations. Computer as a subject enhances your logical and creative minds. Mathematics also has a good role to play in understanding computer programs and algorithms. Children, day by day, the computer is growing as a subject choice, and the future revolves around it. Computer applications is not only an interesting subject, but it also helps you in many graduate degrees in colleges. Some companies like Google, Microsoft, and hundreds of other are run purely because of computer. It is no doubt that it is an interesting subject and you have to choose it. And I can guarantee that learning computer applications for the next 2 years will definitely benefit you in many ways. But always remember that there are two sides to every coin. Everybody cannot study computer science or computer applications because it needs a lot of practice and aptitude for that. So, children, choose computer applications only if you are ready to work in this direction. Remember that your interest comes first, your will, your attitude, your dedication towards the subject is very important, where it be computer, art, commerce, or any other subject. In the field of computer science, logical skills, analysis, and creative thinking is required. And I hope that you know yourself better than any other person. So take advices from everyone, but choose what you feel is right for. And you also, if you have the understanding, I hope that everybody is having that understanding of the subject also. Because in class 8, you people have studied. So if you feel that you can go with the subject, definitely, and if you have the aptitude, then only opt computer science. Interest and aptitude go hand in hand while learning anything. Your decision should not be influenced by your peers and family. And I would also like to request the parents to trust what their child is choosing and not to impose any subject decision. A bird can only fly when you let it in the free sky. So, children, it is important to listen to your elders' advices, but at the same time, you should what is the right choice for you. And I think you are the one who will be studying that sixth subject and appearing for your board examination. And then last, I want to say you that you are the makers of tomorrow, so choose wisely. And if you have any other queries relating the subject, please feel free to approach me, my department members, and I know that you will make the correct decision for yourself. Thank you.